Miracle, what do you think of that? Miracle, you see a dove? You don't like it, do you, Miracle? She's not bothering you. What do you think about a dove? You want to go say hello to her, Miracle? You do. Come on. You going to the wheelbarrow? You keeping your eye on her, aren't you? Yes. You're watching her, aren't you? It's okay, Miracle. She's not over here. You're good. Come on, you want to walk? Let's go to the woods so you don't see her. No, no, Miracle, no. No, no, no. Let's go to the woods. Let's go to the woods. Come on. She's not bothering us. No. Come on, you want to climb? You want to climb? Let's go to the woods. Yeah, you made her leave, didn't you, Miracle? So this is Miracle's field and Miracle's wood. You're not going to share it with other kitties? No. You want to climb? Miracle. Let's go to your favorite tree. Uh-oh, somebody's cranky. I knew you'd be cranky after seeing her. I knew it. Now, what are you pulling for? Well, here's a tree. Here's your favorite tree. Miracle, look. You want to keep going? Apparently not. A half time. Guess we'll have to settle for that. In a hurry, Miracle? In a hurry, in a hurry. It's been really breezy today. And yeah. It's supposed to get cold tonight. It's going to be our first hard freeze, I think, if it gets as cold as they said. So I'm brought in a whole my house plant. Come on, Miracles. Come on. We'll go. I know. You're not happy after seeing a dove. You're very unhappy about that, aren't you? Okay. Oh, no. Maybe I shouldn't take you for a walk. No. We went the other way yesterday because there was somebody shooting. And I don't mean just like a shot here or there. I mean like lots of shots. Like they were target practicing. They were back over there somewhere. And I'm like, well, look at that sunlight. I said, we'll go the other side of the field, the woods there, and go in. Yeah, I haven't heard them today. And I mean, it was like big guns too. It was over and over and over, and I'm like, and Miracle didn't like it, and I didn't like it. The birds weren't even coming down to eat, so we did not stay long. Oh, pretty light. Okay. What are you upset about? You still upset about seeing a dove? Come on, let's go to the tree bridge. Tree bridge. If you're going to be that way, I'll just pick you up and we'll go home. You hear me? Miracle, do you want to go home? Come on, let's walk. Let's walk. Oh, goodness. Somebody's going to get picked up. Somebody's about to get picked up. Oh, God, you're getting heavy, Miracle. I got you. Oh, no, he's got me. He's got me.